Imagine your one day without a technology, without mobile phone, without laptop, without anything. Are we able to live a single day? Nahi na. So now if I'm going to talk that how is it to make this technology to your servant? Amazing. So hello friends, Swapna here, and today I'm going to talk on the topic technology at your service. Now we know there are a lot of advantages of technology. It increases our speed, our efficiency, our profitability. We can communicate anywhere, we can make a lot of connections, we can store a lot of data with the technology and many more. But if we are talking about to make this technology to our servant, what are the advantages of this also? This servant will going to work 24 into 7 for 365 days. ऐसा वर्कर जो आपके लिए 24 into 7 वर्क करेगा and 365 days वर्क करेगा in a year without any leave. Sounds good? So in this video, I am going to give you two strategies or two business ideas that you can start applying in your life, which I am implementing in my life, and I am working on those two businesses. So I am going to share with you those two businesses related to your mobile phone, related to your social media. So if you are one who are just using your mobile phone for just scrolling the news feeds or just to like other people's content or post or just for sharing some memes, so I really urge to all the beginners who want to start their own business or who want to start something with the mobile, I would like to urge to watch this video till the end. Now let's get started. So first is personal branding. Yes, you can start your personal branding from today itself. For that you need to select your some niche. If you are a beginner, you need to choose some niche for yourself and you need to start making content related to it which is useful to your audience, which is valuable for your audience. And if you are like a working person, you can give some knowledge related to your work through your social media, or if you have a business, you can promote your product or service, whatever it is. So personal branding, if you are even a student, you can work on it. So personal branding is such a business anyone can start. So work on it, and for that you need to make some valuable content for your audience, and there are a lot of advantages of personal branding. Like first of all, you are able to build the trust with your audience. When you are जब आप लोगों के सामने आते हो तो ज़्यादा ट्रस्ट बढ़ता है, करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट इज यू कैन क्रिएट ऑथेंटिसिटी विथ योर पीपल. थर्ड, you are going to make a lot of connections through social media. We know many people are now on the social media. We are able to make a lot of connections, and a lot of connections is equal to lot of opportunities. We don't know where those opportunities are coming in our way. So you can start this business, and the best advantage of this business is with a zero investment. There is no investment you need to do on this business. So you can start today itself, and for it you need to make efforts. It is very essential, because how can you give the value to people? So need efforts and consistency. So you can start this business today itself. Next business is affiliate marketing. This is affiliate marketing. This is also one profitable business you can start with a low investment. In affiliate marketing, it simply means we need to promote another company's product or service to customers, and on each sale we get a commission. So affiliate marketing is simply मतलब आपको प्रमोट करना होता है किसी थर्ड पार्टी का प्रोडक्ट, और ईच सेल पे आपको कमीशन मिलता है. सो इट इज ऑल्सो एन इंटरेस्टिंग बिजनेस, एंड in this in this business you need not to create your own product. That is the beauty of are gonna see through this affiliate marketing. So first of all, you need not to create your own product. You need not to invest your time, energy on creating product. Second, you can do from anywhere. There is no location barrier. Third, you can do 24 into 7. It totally depends on how you are convenient. So in this business, I think like आपको लोकेशन बैरियर नहीं आ रहा है, टाइम बैरियर नहीं आ रहा है, एंड योर एडवांटेज इज टोटली डिपेंड ऑन हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू हार्ड वर्क, डू हार्ड वर्क इन दिस बिजनेस. So your profit is totally directly proportional to your hard work, and it is gonna start with a minimum investment. So these two businesses which I think anyone can start and with the low investment, and कहीं से भी आप start कर सकते हो. You just have to start and you just have to maintain the consistency in those business. So if you like these strategies, just start following this and start to create your personal brand. At least ये तो आपको start करना ही चाहिए, I personally believe. And if you have any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment box. I will try to give the answer of your queries and start on your personal branding. Thank you so very much for listening me and make technology your servant. So thank you so very much for listening me. Bye bye. Have a great day.